Alright, our first step is to simplify, but there's nothing that can be simplified in this particular problem, so we're going to skip. There's no like terms, there's no distributive property. Now I'm going to highlight the variable term and get rid of that -4 by adding 4. Alright, now that we have the highlighted term all by itself, we are done with step 2, and now we are ready to divide. But instead of doing this, instead of dividing by 2/3 to both sides like this, we know at this level of math that dividing by 2/3 is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So if we take this 2 and this 3 and flip it, we would have 6 here over 6, and 6 over 6 is just 1x. So that is why this is going to cancel and leave us just x, because it makes 1 here, just 1. Okay, so whatever we do over here, we have to do on this side. So we're going to multiply this side by 3/2. So when we're multiplying those fractions there, remember we can cross simplify here. So 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 12 6 times, and then we'd have 6 times 3, which is 18, and 1 times 1 is just 1, so we just get 18 as our answer. Now, we could also do this problem another way that was taught in class, that if you have a fraction in the problem and you're like, I don't want the fraction in the problem, I want to get rid of it from the very beginning, that we would have to multiply both sides of the equation by a number that the denominators can all go into. Well, in this problem, we only have one denominator, so we're going to use the number 3 because 3 can go into itself. Now, we could also use 6, or we could use 9, or we can use 12 or 18, but because 3 can go into all these numbers, this denominator here can go into all these numbers, but it could also go into itself, so why not pick the best number? Okay, so now we're going to multiply everything in this problem by 3. So when we do 3 times 2/3 right here, these are going to cancel, and all you're left with is a 2. So the easy way to do it without having to write that out is 3 goes into 3 once, and 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times, this is not a fraction, so we just multiply them. 3 times -4 is -12. And then here we have 8 times 3 is 24. And then now we're going to add 12 to both sides. And then once this is all by itself, we're going to divide by the coefficient of the x. And we would get 36 divided by 2, which is 18. And that is exactly what we got here, just a different method.